we just want to do a few things. We just want to create a cut item and an order item. Okay. So to have a cut item, we're going to have a function. Okay. We are going to give it a name. Let's give it a name, handle press. In our handle press, we're going to take in an item. So here's supposed to be const. Like that, and we need to have our cut item. So we're just going to prepare this before we integrate our recipe because it'll be way more easier to handle whatever is remaining if we have everything prepared. So we're going to create an object. So here, the first thing that we're going to require is the product ID. So the product ID is going to be item underscore ID, like that. And we need additives, and our additives are going to come from the additive variable that we have here on top. We need quantity. As for our quantity, we're going to take the count. We need to add a comma over here. And we also need the total price. Okay. Total price. So our total price is going to be item.price plus total price multiplied by count. Okay. So that's going to be our quantity. Then we can have our function right here to add to cart. When adding to cart, we're going to require an item even, which is our cart item. So we can just create this function down here, and we're not going to do too much. We're just going to create an empty function. And here, our function is going to be asynchronous. And it's going to take a cart item like that. So we can leave it like that. When we have our REST API, then we can come and complete this part. So for now, this is all that we need to do. And next